Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox without ID. So first, open up your Roblox app as you can see here on your screen, and then tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner, and you will go here on this option and then click on this settings. And here on settings, tap on account info. So right here, you need to add an email to verify your account. Now, once you've verified your email, as you can see right here, I have my email address. Now, to enable the voice chat without an ID, all you need to do is go to this language and then just tap this one. Then choose the language up to the bottom and right here. So choose this one. And once you've done, you just need to close your Roblox app and just wait up to 10 days and just go back to the privacy settings. Now, after the 10 days, just go back and you will see here on this privacy settings. And as you can see, my voice chat is enabled. So that's how you basically get the voice chat on your Roblox without verifying your age. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.